So I've turned it on, there's no display. Welcome back to the channel. If you're addicted to apples, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Nick. We just got recent delivery of this big box here. I did ask them to pack it in a certain way. You can have one guess of what it could be. It's big and round and it's colourful. So let's see how they've packed it. I'm giving my feedback on them very soon. As you can probably see there, it does state heavy, and that's what it is. Let's open it up. Well, that seems well packed, but I really got to see what it is underneath. So I did state to put some packaging on the bottom, which is what they did, but obviously not enough for the size of the box. Overall, it's pretty good packaging. But this is the issue I got. That's my bench there. So I'll flip this upside down. That just shows you how it was on the bottom. Just held on by a little bit of tape. So that's just really yeah, I was lucky that it didn't fall out of the bottom. So anyway, I'll give them some feedback on that. And that's it. That's the iMac that I received. Appears to be in pretty good cosmetic nick, as in no cracked plastics around. It's a little bit dirty. So I've plugged it in, put in a keyboard and mouse, an old one. So the display kicked in. There's no startup sound and no display. Yeah, just got a faint display there. I can hear the hard disk activating. Alright, there is a password there. There is a display, very faint, so I'll just zap the PRAM. So the only thing I could go by with no display, no startup sound, is just the CRT display kicking in, and the slot load CD-ROM accessing like it normally does. But there, so you can get a better display now, and it's starting up. So the battery is probably flat in this, but this is what you can get. So I did buy this off eBay. I did buy it cheap. So it's probably cost me around about $50 overall with shipping. There you go, there's somebody's computer there. I don't know the specs of it yet. So I'll shut it down, have a look underneath. Okay, so the plastics have popped out a little bit here. We can easily fix that. There's a bit of yellowing. Let's have a look at the specs. It's an iMac SE 600 Graphite 128 40 gig hard drive, CD rewritable, Ultra, 56K, early 2001. So it's probably a summer 2001 model. So that's a 600 megahertz graphite. Now it looks a bit dirty on the inside. It's most likely this person was a smoker. There is some rattly bits in there. You can see there that there's smoke drawn in somehow. That's what happens with the non-fan edition of these iMacs. But there doesn't seem to be cracks around here. It seems to be okay. So at first glance I think this is okay. Haven't tried the CD-ROM. I haven't tried anything else, and I obviously have to put a system on it. So that either goes into my collection or I have to on-sell it. But it needs a good clean and it needs a good restore. So that'll be the next stage. Okay, I think that's it for this video. So, see ya.